Wala naman nagsasalita. Bakit nga eh? Hello. Kung ayaw niyo, magtatawag ako. Oh, sino tatawagin ko? Sige, ayaw niyo ha. Can I have Janelle? Janelle, andiyan ka ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do I do next, Janelle?
Sir, check your letters to make sure they are formatted correctly.
Check the letter to make sure it's formatted. Ano ba yun?
Yes, sir.
Check your letters to make sure they are formatted correctly. Okay, sige. Uh, well, what do you think? Ano to? Formatted correctly ba to? Tama na yan.
Yes, sir.
Okay na yan. Hindi naman yan ang concern natin eh. Ah, insert. Okay, write your address block. Bakit to kulang? Kulang ano? Hindi siya detailed na instruction. Sabi lang mag-insert ng address block. Okay. Aside from that, who can answer my question? What do I do next? Oh, ayan na. Dito na yung address natin. Naka-prepare na. Oh. Yes, Judea.
Try ko lang po, yung i-copy and paste nyo po yung nasa yung list of names po.
Okay. Sige. Copy and paste. Okay, tingnan natin dito Judea. You have how many recipients? You have 12 recipients. Tapos, yan yung, tama ka rin. Yan yung conventional, yung normal way na gagawin natin para makapag-send tayo sa maraming mga tao. But that's not what we want. Kasi, sample na natin to I'm going to send it to Delilah Briggs. Then, address is stay, company name pala yun. Company name, tapos yung address niya ay dito. Ganyan. Tapos, gawin natin ulit. Gawa na naman tayo ng bago. Siguro lagay natin dito siya sa baba. Pero alam nyo ba kung bakit na-invento ang computers? Computers are invented to automate tasks. So kung ganito ang ginagawa natin, hindi bali parang hindi nasunod yung yung purpose ng computer, 'di ba? But okay. Parang ang tagal Parang natatagalan ako. Ayan, minamano-mano natin. Tapos gagawin natin to 12 times para nakakasawa, 'di ba? Paano kung meron tayong 1,000 names? Meron tayong 1,000 names. Ganun ang gagawin natin. 'Di ba tagal? Tama ba, Judea? Tagal? Judea?
Yes, sir.
O, di ba tagal? Okay. So, ang purpose ng mail merge ay para kunin yung data dito. Kukunin yung data dito. Siya nang bahalang mag-copy and paste ng letter na to. Tapos ito, ika-copy paste ay kukunin na niya, ilagay niya dito automatically. Okay? But we need to somehow program your Microsoft Word. Program natin yung Microsoft Word para gawin yan. Paano? Ito. You go to your mailings tab. Go to your mailings tab. And then, you go to start mail merge. Okay? Dito sa taas, una yung sa ribbon natin. Marami tayong ribbons dito. Iba't ibang functions ng mga ribbons. But we're going for mailings because it's called mailings because it involves mailing. You have letters, email messages, envelopes, etc. But ang gusto natin gawin dito for now is do a step-by-step mail merge wizard. Step-by-step tayo. And then, merong lalabas dito sa may kanan na hindi pa makita. Okay, ayan. Okay. So, you have your... Nakikita nyo ba? Nakikita nyo?
Yes, sir.
Nababasa nyo yung dito sa taas, diba? Kasi naka-magnify siya.
Yes, sir.
Ano yung first na word na naka-check or may dot?
Letter.
Letters, correct. So, leave it. Ilagay nyo yung dots sa letters and then bababa tayo dito. Next, starting document. Okay. We're going to use the current document na na-prepare natin. So, leave the dot there. And then, next is select recipients. And then we'll go with use existing list. The existing list refers to this. This is your existing list. And then, hahanapin lang natin yung file. Actually, nalimutan ko kung saan ko na-save. So, punta tayo dito, file, save as ulit. File, save as, go to more options. More options. Tapos, punta ka dito sa address bar sa pinakataas. Address bar ba tawag dito? Ayan, punta ka dito. Kasi dito, naka-save yung file natin kanina. I think I named it recipient list, Lewis. Okay, ito yon. I'm just going to copy paste. Then we go back to close natin to. Whoops. Cancel. Browse. Let's go to browse. Tapos, dito sa taas, just paste. And then, enter. Okay. Tapos, browse natin pababa. Recipients or just press the letter R. Ayun. Okay. Open. Sheet 1. And then, check kung naka-check ito, kung active siya. Dahil yung kwan natin, meron siyang name, company name, and address. Okay? Dahil kung hindi, ibang gagawin yan. Let's go to sheet 1. Click OK. Tapos, eto na. Ewan ko kung bakit meron tong mga to. Okay. Now, for some reason, you don't want to include certain people. Siguro meron kang birthday party, pero nasa list mo na. Siguro gusto mong i-exclude si Delilah Briggs. Ayaw mong isama si Delilah Briggs. So, uncheck mo siya. Ayaw mo din kay Aidan Goodwin for some reason. Baka madamot siya. But for now, i-include natin silang lahat. And then we're going to hit OK. Okay? So, ayun na. So, ano nang nangyari? Ano nang nangyari? Are you still with me so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so, what's my question? Ano na nangyari? Can you guess? Kasi nag-browse ako, tapos anong nangyari na? Nasaan na yung list na yun kaya? It's in...
Paste na dun sa ano?
Hmm?
Nai-paste na siya.
Sir?
Nai-paste na po yung name.
Okay,
Sir,
good.
nakaset na po yung mga recipients sa pagsesendan mo ng document.
Okay, so, right. You are both correct. They are now in the memory ng Microsoft Word. Okay? Actually, nandito sila, oh. Insert merge field. Ayun. Nakalagay na dito. Na-memorize na niya. Tapos, actually, kung dito, tong wizard na to, pwede mo nang i-exit dito. Pwede mo na siyang i-exit. In fact, lahat ng ginawa natin kanina, pwede mo naman siyang gawin dito. But we're going with the... I was going with the, what you call it, the wizard, to be sure. Okay, so first yung name, of course. The company name. And then we have your address. Okay. So, this now points to your Excel file. So, may reference na siya. Okay? Also, I should mention that once you save or once you put your reference here, try to avoid renaming itong file na to. Huwag mo na siyang i-rename. Baka malito-lito pa. Okay? Okay na yan. And then, what's the next thing? What's the next thing? We're going to click on preview results. Gusto na natin i-preview. Gusto natin makita kung gagawa ng letter si Microsoft Word. Ang Microsoft Word. So, click that. Okay. So, now we have... Now, this letter is going to Delilah Briggs. Sisenda natin siya kay Delilah Briggs. Tama ba yung data na yan? Her name, company name, and her address. Balikan nga natin yung Excel. Delilah Briggs is in or works for Bednar and Tillman and Waters. And she also lives in 9806 Helen Street. Okay, so nag-match. Very perfect match. Okay. What about Jacqueline? Si Jacqueline kaya, may letter din kaya siya? Let's find out. You go to, when you click on this, we're going to number 2. Okay. So number 2, si Jacqueline Raymond. Jacqueline Raymond. She works for Gleason Tremblay in Tallahassee, Florida. Tama ba yun? Jacqueline Raymond, Gleason Tremblay in Tallahassee. Tallahassee 32303. Okay, correct. Correct. Tama siya. Okay. The quickest way to check kung nag-match yung data in anything you do with Excel ay yung i-check mo yung pinakauna. Check mo yung pinakauna kung nag-match. Tapos you go with the very last, who is Patrick Griffith. This is your first, ito yung tagi-isa lang, tagi-isang entry. Ito yung last. Ito naman first. Okay? So again, tagi-isa, one entry at a time. And then this goes to last entry and your first entry. Okay? Your last entry is highlight muna natin to. Highlight natin. Okay? Para makita. You have the last entry is Patrick Griffith, who works for Clocko Hewells. Clocko Hewells in Tuscaloosa, Alabama ba to? Tuscaloosa, Alabama, 35405. Okay, so tama. So nag-match. Okay. Now what? What do we do? Okay, the next thing that we're going to do is to, of course, save your document. Save. And actually, you can close this. You can close this. Check, check. Dali lang ha, dali lang. Dali lang ha, may delivery. Dali lang.
Shopee!
Ilibin.
Okay, I'm back. Sandali. Ano yung sinasabi ko? Highlight merge fields. Okay. Question. Question. Okay. So I have let's just say that I have another letter dito sa ano, sa baba. Gawa lang tayo ng panibagong letter. Let's go Control N. Oops. Control V. And then, okay. So, gusto kong mag-add ng pangalan. Remember, naikuha na natin, let's just assume that we have, okay, sige, you know what? Let's just go back to that. Okay, so, nagawa na natin yung Excel. Okay, so, how do I insert this? Ano ang i-click ko dito para mailagay ko ito? Who can answer? Anybody?
Sir, pakiulit po yung question.
Okay, the question is, dali lang ha. Okay, so, naintindihan nyo ba ako? Check. Okay, the question is, gusto kong ilagay itong kwan na to dito. Ano ang button ang i-click ko para ma-insert ito? Oh, alin dyan? Saan dyan?
Sir, yung edit recipient please.
Edit recipient list? Are you sure? I mean, magagamit din yan pero I don't think we use that here in this session. Look again. Sino? Alin dito? Okay, I'm going to give you a multiple choice. So you have 5 choices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exclude mo na yung nasa rules and match field. So, alin dyan? Para ma-insert ko yung name
Insert merge.
yung alin?
Insert merge field.
Okay, correct.
Insert merge.
Yes, correct. You click on insert merge field para may pasok siya dito. Okay? Next question. Para mailagay yung or makita ko yung name ni Delilah Briggs, ano ang i-click ko dito? Para lumabas yung name.
Preview results po.
Alin?
Preview results.
Preview results. Correct. Very good. Okay. Ayun. Okay. Tapos, para ma-highlight ko itong kwan na to, anong i-click ko dyan?
Highlight merge field.
Correct. It's highlight merge fields. Okay. Tapos, okay, ang next step, yung mga nakapanood, ano yung next na gagawin natin? Since pwede na yung preview results natin. Ano yung next? What's next?
Sir, yung finish merge field po.
Finish and
Merge.
merge.
Yan po.
Diba? Okay, so yan, correct. It's and then we're going for edit individual documents muna. Although you have several options, you can also go with print documents kung you are really sure na gusto mo nang ikwan. Kung tama na lahat. Or you can also email. But then, wala naman hindi tayo gumawa ng list for email addresses. So, let's go with this muna. Kasi gusto natin makita, di ba? Okay. So, ayun. Now, we have a separate letter for Delilah Briggs and another for Jacqueline Raymond. Question. Etong matatanggap ni Delilah Briggs, iba ba siya sa sa matatanggap ni Jacqueline Raymond? Tingin nyo. Who can answer? Yes, Judea.
Sir, hindi po.
Hindi. Okay, bakit?
Kasi pare-parehas lang po yung letter po, pero iba-iba yung names tas addresses.
Correct. Okay. Iba-iba na ang mapapalitan dito ay yung in-indicate natin kanina. Okay? Try to notice yung yung edit individual documents tayo. Kanina yung file name niya is business letters business letter Lewis. Ngayon nag-generate siya ng ibang file. Gumawa siya ng letters 1. Okay? Actually, tignan natin yung kagandahan niya talaga. Aside from just making one letter for everybody, what if, for example, tinopak ka, tapos ang gusto mo ay naka-bold yung mga ganyan, o kaya gusto mo yung last naka-italize siya, okay? Tapos, edi inedit ko yung isang document for everybody, di ba? Hindi lang si Delilah Briggs. So, let's go with edit individual documents ulit. Let's go with all. Okay. So, now we have letters 2 kasi dalawa na yung versions ng na-generate nating letters. Yung isa, yung original, hindi pa siya naka-bold dito. Ngayon, dito na, iba na yung kwan. Naka-bold na siya. Okay? So, now, okay. Now, the question is, how are you going to paano dito? How are you going to submit to me your mail merge requirements? First, you're going to send to me the original document. Yung merong mail merge. So, kailangan merong ganito. Okay? Hindi yung makaka-receive ako ng ganito lang. Ayokong makakita ng ganito lang. Ang dapat na ma-receive ko na file ay yung merong ganyan. Kaya nang bahala ko na yung ilalagay nyo dito as long as meron tayong mail merge field. And put in at least 3. At least 3. Second, syempre, kailangan ko rin to. Itong recipient list. Dahil pagka open ko ng file, hahanapin niya yung mga pangalan or hahanapin niya yung recipient list Lewis.xlsx. So, wala ring silbi kung ito lang ang isasenyo sa akin, kung ito lang isasenyo sa akin. So, kailangan dalawa sila. Okay? Kailangan dalawa sila, itong dalawang ito. Third. Ano yung third? The third is, punta tayo dito. You are going to print, mag-print kayo ng dalawa lang sa mga recipients. Unique recipients. Just print 2. So we can have either page 1 to 2 or pwede ring page 11 to 12. Kayong bahala dyan, okay? Dali lang. Okay, I'm back. Ayun. Tapos, what's the other one? I think ang problema sa karamihan sa atin ay wala or marami sa atin ay wala tayong access sa Microsoft Word. In fact, yung punta natin yung Microsoft Word na online. Microsoft or Office 365. By the way, ito pala, sinend sa akin ng isang isang schoolmate ninyo. She sent a PDF file, which is, I should say, a bonus point. Kayong bahala dyan. But I'm still waiting for her to send yung actual na printed copy, which will be sent, you will be submitting on November 5. Okay? Pero tingnan natin to. Or rather, new blank document. Okay, so kung titignan nyo yung ribbons natin dito, wala siyang mailings. Diba? Siguro dahil pagkagagawa ka ng mailings, kailangan mo pang magkaroon ng access dun sa actual na folder, which is not possible. Kasi nga, this is up in the clouds. It's not, it's in the server. Wala naman tayong access dun sa server. Ang meron lang sa atin ay itong web. Kaya kwan. So, ang inisip kong solution ay, point number 2 is, yung Team Viewer. Demonstrate ko lang sa inyo Team Viewer. Ito, meron na Team Viewer naka-install. by the way, this is BlueStacks. This is an Android emulator. Nag-emulate siya ng Android. Ewan ko kung meron na yung ano, yung iOS. Punta ka dito, Play Store. O, pas papakita niya sa inyo yung mga naka-install mong applications. Dali lang ha. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So, ano ba yung ginagawa natin? I'm just going to demonstrate to you kung ano yung options natin for kasi meron akong laptop dito na sinetup ko para i-access ninyo. Okay? So again, this is your BlueStacks. Kung gusto mo bang mag-emulate ng Android sa inyong PC. For now, we're going to open your team viewer. And I have a partner ID. So ganito please PM me if you need access to my laptop para payagan ko kayo, okay? Ipipiyam ko sa inyo yung aking remote control ID and the password. 507727. Parehas din. Okay, tapos remote control. And then the password. Can you raise your hand yung mga Sino sa inyo ang walang access sa PC? Okay, so ilan? Kailang dalawa? Tatlo, apat? Oh, ang dami. Okay. So marami pala. Okay. So PM me, paki-PM na lang PM nyo na lang ako. I will give you access to my laptop. Okay? UVYABVTA. Huwag kayong basta-basta papasok ha. Oy, bakit? Okay, tapos cookie consent, accept ako. Okay, so ayan. So, kunwari, nasa ano tayo ngayon? Meron tayong nasa BlueStacks pa rin tayo. Tapos, kunwari, kunwari, may naka-Android ako. Okay? Kunwari, naka-Android. Nakikita nyo yan dito. Ayan mga home button, back. It says BlueStacks over here. So now, naka-remote access ako sa aking laptop. And what you're going to want to do is go down here. Tsaka open mo na rin itong Excel. Actually, meron pang isang yung gumagawa ng hindi niya pa natatapos. Let's just, bakit na, Control N. Bakit ayaw mag-Control N? Ay, nga pala. Kasi nga naka-Android ako, kaya hindi pwede ang Control N. Let's, Go with new. Okay. Tapos, blank workbook. Okay. So, ganyan. Mabibigyan kayo ng access. So, I ask you to be nice. Do not, wag nang gagalawin yung iba. Basta, dito lang kayo sa Excel and sa Microsoft Word. Kasi babantayan ko to. Okay? Okay. Any questions so far? Any questions? So again, if you need access, remote access, just message me, okay? I-PM nyo lang ako. So any
Sir,
questions?
ida-download po namin yung TeamViewer.
Correct. You are going to download the TeamViewer into your phone. Or kung hindi rin kaya dun sa laptop, pwede ring i-download ito, itong TeamViewer dun sa laptop. Okay? Kung hindi kaya ng kung wala kayong access sa Microsoft Office, although pwede kayong gumawa ng sarili ninyong account sa Microsoft Office. Of course, it's limited. Okay? Other questions? Other questions? Done? Remind ko lang you are going to submit to me 3 files. First, of course, yung original file with the mail merge placeholders or mail merge fields. Yung mayroon mail merge fields, which is yung ito. Kailangan meron ito. Second is your Excel document. By the way, they will be either uploaded to your G class or you can PM sa Messenger. Send it to me. Ganon din dito sa Excel document. Excel file. Okay? And then of course, yung printed two recipients, 2 letters. Okay? Alright, so yun. Other questions? Of course, 11:30 na, so dapat magla-lunch na tayo. But try to look at your answer sheets. Do you have any questions? By the way, nag-send ako ng file sa inyo kahapon. Yung sabi ko, it's going to replace your activity or should I say week 3 activity 2B. Okay? Okay. Tahimik kayo Okay, so wala na ba? Wala naman tanong? Wala muna? Agluto tapay ko
Sir, saan po?
Ha? Ano? Okay. Isa-isa lang, please. Isa-isa lang. Denmark, ano yun?
Sir, saan po ito-download yung TeamViewer?
Saan i-download yung TeamViewer? Okay, pakita ko sa inyo. Dito sa, Play Store. Just go to Play Store and then you type, ayan, search nyo lang yung TeamViewer. TeamViewer Remote Control. Okay? Nagets, Denmark? Does that answer your question, Denmark?
Sir, okay na po. Thank you po.
Okay, good. Next question.
Sir, paano din sa activity 2C at yung activity 3?
Activity 2C at saka activity 3.
3, sir.
Okay. Now, yung activity 3, kahit gumawa lang kayo ng PowerPoint. Pero hindi lang siya basta PowerPoint Ang gusto ko makita sa PowerPoint ay yung tipong may animation. Ay, nanapanan na nga eh. Saan ka na napunta? Oy, dali. Baka magpanik ako. Hindi ko. Ah, wala. Hindi ko makita bakit. Okay, basta yon. Apo. Ah, go to your PowerPoint and then PowerPoint and put in some basic animation. Basic animation like your alam mo yung tipong animation na kwan na parang lilipad yung text or babalik-baliktad yung text. Alam niyo yun? Ano
Yes,
yun?
sir.
PowerPoint.
Yes, sir.
PowerPoint animation tutorial. Animation ba? Tingnan natin kung tama to.
You see, we edit a lot of videos every day, so we don't get much time to answer emails or write
We've now applied our first animation to a shape and we know how to preview it. And if I go later on in this tutorial, I'll show you even more
Eto,
ways of
ayan.
creating
Yung mga tipong ganyang animation from effects, from bottom left, from right, yung para mag fly in lang siya na animation. Yun lang. Okay? Okay, other questions? Other questions? I think may nagtatanong
sir.
about 2C. Tama ba? 2C?
Ako po.
Okay. Actually sa 2C, okay, bigay ko sa inyo yung kayo nang bahalang kapayin nyo na or i-google nyo kung paano nyo gagamitin to, okay? But for your highest and lowest, you will use equals max and then equals min. And then of course your average, you will use equals average. Okay. So, kayo nang bahala dyan. I-google nyo kung paano nyo gagamitin itong itong mga functions na yan. Okay? Tapos, other questions. So, again, ni-replace natin yung 2B. May questions pa? Anyone? Yes, Christel. Or Kistrel.
Sir, napindot lang po.
Napindot naman. Okay, other questions? Wala na ba? Okay. So, ayun. If you don't have other questions, you may leave the meeting and you have a wonderful afternoon. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye po.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
even more
Hello? Anong kumusta? Si Ronat? Ronat, sandali.